Welcome to the 448 series Pullout shelving system installation video. Before we begin, you'll need the following tools: a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver or right angle drill, a rubber mallet, scissors, power drill with a number 2 Phillips bit, a 3/8 inch bit, and a 3/32 inch bit, tape measure, pencil, 3/8 inch wrench, tape, and an awl. In your box, you'll find the following parts: a 448 wall unit, instruction sheet with template, 4 chrome-plated rails, a spacer kit, 4 number 6 by 1/2 inch door screws, 4 1/4 20 by 1 inch machine bolts, 4 number 8 by 5/8 inch wood screws. To begin, turn your 448 unit upside down and pull your soft close slide set to the open position. Disengage the slide set by pressing one of the triggers in the up position and one of the triggers in the down position. Once removed, your soft close mechanism will now be in the open position. Pull the trigger and reset it back to the closed position. Your instruction sheet contains a 5-inch and an 8-inch template. Select the one that corresponds to your unit and cut along the dotted lines. Measure to find the center of your cabinet opening and mark with a pencil. Center your template and position the arrows along the front edge of your cabinet. Use tape to secure. The template contains black circles marked for either wood screws or machine bolts. We will be using machine bolts. Place your awl over each of the 4 black circles and tap with your rubber mallet. Use your 3/8 inch drill bit and drill through each of your marked hole locations. Drill all the way through the cabinet floor. Place your slide set over the holes. Secure the 4 machine bolts to the slide set by going up through your cabinet floor. Your spacers should be flush with the top of the wood frame. You can set your 448 wall unit at the edge of your cabinet to mark where the spacers will go. Your spacer kit includes 2 sets of spacers. If your face frame is 1.5 inches wide, use the thick spacers. If your face frame is 1 3/4 inches wide, use the thin spacers. Use a right angle drill or number 2 Phillips head screwdriver to secure. Next, extend the arms of your slide set and attach the 448 unit. Push to engage. You will hear a click. If your cabinet is tall enough, you can place the chrome-plated rails on top of the unit. Our cabinet does not have enough clearance. Use your 3/8 inch wrench and loosen the bracket screws. Slide the brackets just over the face frame's edge and then tighten. Measure the base of the face frame to each mounting bracket hole location and record those dimensions. We have an overlay door, which means the door is larger than the opening. Measure the door height and the cabinet opening height. The overlay equals the door height minus the cabinet opening height divided by 2. Take the overlay value and add it to the bracket dimensions. If your door is smaller than the cabinet opening, then you have an inset door. The inset equals the cabinet opening height minus the door height divided by 2. Take that value and subtract it from the bracket dimensions. Next, transfer those dimensions to the back of the cabinet door. Pre-drill the holes using your 3/32 inch drill bit. Do not drill all the way through the door. Align the holes of your cabinet door to the brackets and secure using the provided door screws. Your installation is now complete. Enjoy your product for years to come.